Need to schedule a Zoom meeting to recur on a regular basis? Watch this tutorial to learn how to schedule recurring Zoom meetings on your phone. To begin, open Zoom and click Schedule. Then, enter a topic title for your meeting. Now, you're going to scroll down to the Repeat section right under the name. Here you can choose whether to repeat it every day, week, 2 weeks, month, or every year. For this example, I'm going to choose weekly, but you choose whichever option fits your meeting needs. When you've selected it, press Done at the top. From here, we're going to scroll down. You can even choose to end repeat on a certain day if you want that to end. And you select the calendar you want it to sync with. I only have iCalendar. If you have Google Calendar or anything else, those options will appear in this list. From here, you can choose to use a personal meeting ID or require the passcode, which you can set. From there, you're going to select Save, and it's going to pull up the event. You're just going to double check, make sure everything looks the way it should. All the dates are good, the weekly's good, calendar is good. You can add attachments and the message. When you're done, select Add. From there, you should be able to select the Meetings tab at the bottom, and it will show all of the meetings that are currently scheduled. Once you've set that up, that's all you need to do. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment any other items you might want me to cover in tutorials. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.